The LAMFO 2-piece cast iron skillet set offers a fantastic combination of sizes for any kitchen. You get both a 10-inch and a 12-inch skillet in this set. These pans are like trusty sidekicks for your cooking adventures. They can handle everything from a simple fried egg to searing a juicy steak. The non-stick surface is a game changer, and it makes cooking and cleaning so much easier. Plus, these LAMFO 2-piece cast iron skillet set pans are oven safe and even dishwasher safe, which adds to their versatility. These cast iron skillets are built to last, and they heat up evenly for perfect cooking. The non-stick coating means food slides right off. This makes them great for delicate foods like eggs, but they are also tough enough to handle high heat for searing steak. Customers love how easy it is to get a good crust on their meat. The LAMFO 2-piece cast iron skillet set truly offers the best of both worlds. It gives you the durability of cast iron and the convenience of a non-stick pan. If you are looking for a reliable cookware set, the LAMFO 2-piece cast iron skillet set is a great option. It offers versatility for everyday cooking and special meals. My wife loves using them, and they have become a staple in our kitchen. The easy cleanup is a big plus, and the taste of food cooked in these pans is wonderful. This oferta is hard to beat for the quality and convenience you receive. Consider adding this dot-clad set to your kitchen today. Pros: cast iron build, oven safe, dishwasher safe, even heating, durable, easy to clean. Removable handle, versatile use. Cons: uneven heating, can rust if not cared for, food can stick, harder to clean, no precise temp control, dark surface hides burning, may react with acidic foods, can retain odors. Features: cast iron skillets 10-inch 12-inch, non-stick, frying pans 2-piece set, cookware set. Egg pans, non-stick. This LAMFO cookware set has 2 cast iron frying pans. One is 10 inches and the other is 12 inches. They are non-stick, so food will not stick easily. These pans can be used for cooking eggs and other foods. They can also go in the oven and the dishwasher, making them easy to use and clean. This LAMFO cookware set includes 10-inch and 12-inch cast iron frying pans with a non-stick surface and removable handles, made of durable cast iron. These pans heat evenly and are safe to use in the oven and dishwasher. They are versatile for different cooking methods. However, cast iron can heat unevenly, may rust without proper care, and food might stick. Also, they can be harder to clean, lack precise temperature control, and their dark surface can make it difficult to see if food is burning. They might react with acidic foods and retain odors.